Now, since the very dawn of carrier aviation, airplanes can't land on a ship without some kind of arresting gear, and that's usually the tail hook that catches wires on the deck. So please tell us about the tail hook on the EA-6B.
So the tailhook on the Prowler during flight was actually up inside the body of the airplane for aerodynamic purposes. As we'd come into land, one of the first things we'd do is put the hook down. The pilot would reach over his right hand, pull a lever. We didn't have a hook-shaped lever like some of naval aircraft do. We actually just had a pull lever that we would pull and the hook would come down. And the hook was actually two parts. It was kind of a frame that came down, and then what we called the stinger, which is probably about a 60-pound piece of metal, which actually had the hook on it, that then was disposable, so to speak, in terms of, that only got a certain number of traps on that, have to be inspected after every flight, end of the day, every 100 traps, and if it ever failed inspection, that stinger would come off and we'd get a brand new stinger on the aircraft.